Now let's create our Pareto chart. So our data has been structured so that we can do a Pareto analysis. We have our descriptions and our counts. So let's build a Pareto chart. That's going to be under Stats, and it's Quality Tools, and we're going to select a Pareto chart. Now our data is actually in a table. So I'm going to click on that because we have labels and frequencies. So we're already in a table. I'm going to select our CTQ descriptions as our labels, and I'm going to select the count as our frequencies. All right, and our options, the title of this is MM CTQ Performance. Okay, and now we can just press the OK button and let's render our Pareto chart. And there's our Pareto chart, and we can see that 71% of all the defects were associated with the stamp, with a total of 160. The next highest defect category was color. That was only 13%, followed by shape, followed by other. And if I go up here to check out my 80-20 rule, if I come over here from 80 and I come across, I see that we really want to just focus on these top two, M&Ms and color, and that'll give us the biggest bang for the buck to get started from. We could also do a Pareto analysis on the sources as well, so let's take a look at that. Stat, Quality Tools, Pareto chart. And now this time, instead of CTQ descriptions, we're going to put in the sources. We'll change the title to our sources Pareto, and we'll run the chart. So plain led the way with most defects were associated with plain M&Ms, followed by blue M&Ms, followed by peanut, then brown, orange, green, yellow, other. So there's our Pareto for sources. That was pretty straightforward. Let's just quickly take a look at our worksheet. And if I click on the big blue eye, it'll give you a little bit of details what we had done here. We had taken some of these columns, and there were 8 columns of the CTQs, and we stacked them up. So here's where we have our descriptions. There's 32 of those, and their counts. There's 32 counts to go with those, and that's just 8, 8, 8, and 8. Those 4 things grouped together. So what we've done is we've taken that information from our spreadsheet, we collated it together. We used Minitab to do that, and that was data. And we used the stacking function to stack columns. We did that, and then we created our Pareto analysis. And we have 2 Pareto charts. The first chart was CTQ performance, and the second Pareto gave us an idea of the sources of the defects in the M&Ms. Well, there you have it. We took some data, we did some analysis, and it was pretty straightforward.